This system is made from a magnetic pickup, special build, a microphone, gooseneck style, which you can put it on the bracing inside the guitar, and an end pin preamp here, which has something electronic inside, and a 9-volt battery inside the guitar you will mount. So it's a very simple system, not engaging any piezo, which sounded for me so unnatural. Also here you have 2 volume pots for magnetic and for microphone. And what's amazing about these pickups is that you find your final adjustment of each string in part through turning the Allen key.